Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles with watermelon. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of fresh, ripe watermelon, which is key for natural sweetness. We'll also use 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice for a zesty kick, and 1 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like honey or agave nectar. Don't forget your popsicle molds and sticks. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient. Start by cutting about 4 cups of your fresh watermelon into small, manageable chunks. It's important to remove any seeds at this stage to ensure your popsicles have a wonderfully smooth texture. Once chunked and deseeded, place the watermelon into a blender and process it until it becomes a completely smooth liquid. This step is crucial for a perfect popsicle consistency. With your watermelon blended, it's time to enhance the flavor. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice to the mixture. This brightens the taste beautifully. Next, stir in 1 to 3 tablespoons of honey or agave nectar, adjusting to your desired sweetness. Give it a good mix, then carefully pour the delicious liquid into your popsicle molds, filling them almost to the top. The final step is patience. Place your filled molds into the freezer. After about 30 minutes, when the mixture has slightly firmed up, insert your popsicle sticks. This helps them stand upright. Continue freezing for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. When ready to enjoy, simply run warm water over the mold for a few seconds to easily release your refreshing watermelon popsicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.